Hello and welcome to IndiaPostLive.com, India's first live and interactive news conversation web TV. I am Prachi Jatanya. Now, ASSOCHAM report recently released has actually said and stated that continued power outages in various parts of the country has adversely affected and continues to adversely affect domestic industrial production.
Modi government, rather than saying, okay, now we'll give you power, should say we qualify power supply.
Right.
We have to eventually get off this track of trying to feed some power-hungry industries and then starve the rest of the economy. Is it not better for power to focus on being supplied to small industries which are highly effective exporters?
Right.
We get immense wealth and see the number of people they employ.
गवर्नमेंट ने उस पर कोई सब्सिडी नहीं देनी हमें. अगर मेरे यहाँ पे 100 HP लगी है, 90 HP लगी है, 50 HP लगी है, तो मेरे को गवर्नमेंट ने सब्सिडी उसके ऊपर नहीं देनी है, या मुझे तो उसके ऊपर गवर्नमेंट सब्सिडी दे, कुछ पैसे दे, या उसके लिए लोन दे दे कि जिसके ऊपर मैं वो ले लूँ क्या जनरेटर सेट. तो जनरेटर सेट होंगे तो मेरी फैक्ट्री तो ठीक से चलती रहेगी. जो पहले सरकार थी, कम से कम उसने जनरेटर सेट की हमें आदत तो भुला दी थी पिछले 8 साल से.
How is Japan, or how are Japan, USA, England managing without steel plants? They're importing steel from third world countries. Having steel plants, having zinc
Including us.
smelters is an indication that you're in the third world. Even China is moving away from these industries. So, once India takes that step, you won't have a power shortage. Government should now evolve a policy of, in my opinion, phasing out these industries which are highly polluting, highly power dependent, and they destabilize the economy and the environment.
Suggestions going in for the Modi government on this regard. You can also put in your suggestions, questions, and your feedback, and your participation will be more than welcome. We look forward to it.